Finding a good domain name today is harder than it sounds, especially when it comes to short, meaningful names that actually match your brand or idea. With millions of domains already registered, most people rely on keyword-based tools, but those tools often suggest names that are long, repetitive, or simply not creative. Even AI-powered generators tend to produce generic outputs that lack local relevance, especially for domains like .lk. That's the problem we set out to solve. We built Dominios, an AI-based domain name recommendation system designed to generate short, relevant, and brandable names in real time. Our system combines a retrieval-based search engine with a powerful yet lightweight language model called Gemma 22B. It first searches through a large collection of pre-processed domain names using semantic similarity, and then uses the model to generate fresh suggestions based on user input. The result? Domain names that are not only creative and memorable, but also tailored to the user's intent and context, delivered quickly and efficiently, without the need for expensive hardware. Our approach is structured around 3 key stages: data preparation, semantic retrieval, and domain name generation. This pipeline is designed to ensure both high-quality output and real-time performance. First, we gathered a large and diverse dataset, including over 200,000 domain names from Atom.com, 55,000 .lk domains from the LK Domain Registry, and a collection of business names from rainbowpages.lk. We then enriched this data using GPT 3.5 Turbo to generate meaningful descriptions, categories, and relevant keywords, making the dataset more informative and usable. Next, we created over 350,000 keyword clusters and generated semantic embeddings using the Mini-LM model. These were stored in a vector database, allowing us to quickly retrieve domain names that are similar to a user's query based on meaning, not just exact matches. Finally, we used the lightweight language model Gemma 22B combined with retrieval-augmented generation. When a user enters a query, the system pulls the top 15 relevant domain names and passes them to the model along with the input. The model then generates a new set of domain name suggestions that are creative, relevant, and easy to remember. Now that you've seen how the system works, let's take a look at it in action. Here, the user enters the query, domain name for Department of Motor Traffic. The system first retrieves semantically related domain names using the keyword vector store. Based on similarity, it ranks and selects the top candidates. Then, using the Gemma 22B model, it generates a refined list of domain suggestions. Here are a few of the results: Motorflow, DriveLogic, Traffic Hub, Roadwise, and DriveAxis. Each domain name is displayed as a clickable card. When we click on Motorflow, the system opens a detailed description. This makes it easier for users to not just pick a name, but understand how it fits their specific context. With just one input, Dominios delivers names that are relevant, creative, and ready for branding. To measure the effectiveness of our system, we conducted both quantitative and qualitative evaluations. Quantitatively, we compared our model against ChatGPT and GoDaddy AI by analyzing cosine similarity between the input query and generated domain names, as well as the average domain name length. Our system consistently produced shorter and more relevant names. For qualitative analysis, we collected over 290 survey responses from participants in IT, marketing, and business fields. They rated the domain names based on 5 key criteria: brandability, memorability, relevance, simplicity, and length. Across all dimensions, our model outperformed the others, proving that with retrieval and a lightweight model like Gemma 22B, it's possible to generate high-quality, user-preferred domain names in real time. In summary, Dominios combines smart retrieval and lightweight AI to generate short, relevant, and creative domain names, faster and more efficiently than traditional tools. It's a practical, cost-effective solution tailored for modern branding needs, especially in the .lk domain space. Thank you.